Hello everyone, welcome to Nanotech YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can fix a broken LED or a broken glass of iPad. Our iPad model is 2197 A2197. So let me quickly show you the picture of the original iPhone. So this one I downloaded from the Google. So this is our iPad model. The one I have is gray colored iPad. Okay, so now you can see this was our iPad, which was actually broken. You can see the LED, the glass is actually broken, but at that time I was not sure if the glass is broken or the complete panel will be replaced. You can see even the body was completely bended. So, what we did, so now you can see the LED was working fine, the touch was working fine, the buttons were working fine, even the sound and everything was working perfect. But I was not sure if the panel is not working anymore, or what will be the impact of this broken glass. So what I did, I just bring it to the mobile workshop where we used to bring our mobiles for repairing and all. So I just show it to the guy. You can see this was the broken glass pieces which were coming out. So we decided to bring that iPad to Karim Market, Lahore. There is a shop on the first floor in the mobile market, and the shop name is GS Mobile. The guy is very expert in mobile repairing and iPad repairing. So I just bring it to him and I showed him. So he said there is a 50-50% chance, but he need my approval if he have to start this repairing work or not. So I just approved this for him and he started working on it. So after 2 days I receive it back from the shop, and let me show you how it looks like. Hello everyone. So this was the iPad which we just sent for the repairing. Now it is back, and this is the cover, and this is our iPad. So you can see this is our iPad. The model of this iPad is actually A2197. So here it is. We are going to clean this surface a little bit, and you can see it's wrapped up with the tapes, with the scotch tape, because the LED screen, the glass was damaged. So we just repaired it. Now it is back from the shop, and I will just open up these tapes, and then we will see how it works. Okay guys, so the tapes are all removed now. You can see we just removed all of these tapes which were placed here to secure the glass of this iPad. So now we are going to clean it with the universal cleaning tool, which is actually baby wipes. So this is very nice thing to clean any surface. So these are very helpful in cleaning such surfaces where you can see there are marks on the iPad. You can see, and we are going to remove all these marks with the help of these baby wipes. So let me quickly clean it, then we will come back. Okay guys, so we are done with the cleaning by using this baby wipes. So I'm gonna put it here, and this is the outcome of this cleaning. You can see the iPad body is all clean now, and after repairing you can see the body of the iPad is also now straight, which was initially bended and it was broken too. But the repairing guy did a very fantastic job, and he just uh, make the shape of this iPad back to as it was earlier, like the original one. So now it works fine. So I'm gonna start this with this button. Okay, so it's working. Okay, so now you can see the touch and everything is now working perfect. See, even I can just grab any of this here, like let me go back here, this one. So I'm gonna test the screen if the screen is working fine. I have already tested it, but just to show you, I'm dragging here, I'm dragging it everywhere, so the screen is actually working fine. So that's how we repair this iPad. I hope you like the video and you find it very interesting. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.